Hey guys, welcome to this new video in which I'm going to do a review of an educational product called 24-Hour Traffic Blitz. So what this product is all about is it's going to actually teach you how you can make affiliate commissions using free traffic. And they are actually going to give you the required things that you will need to use or you can use to actually make money online. Hey guys, welcome again to this video. And for all those who don't know me, my name is Joyce Meettoo, and I do videos that help people how to make money online. I talk about affiliate marketing, and I also do product reviews that I do believe is going to help you make money online. So before jumping on the sales page of this product and tell you more about it, let me actually give you an overview of what you will be watching in this video. Number one will be the review of the product on what you're going to get. Number two is the upsells and the downsells of the product that comes after the product when you buy it. And number three will be my bonuses. I've made 3 custom bonuses for you with other bonuses and exclusive bonuses. So without further ado, let's jump into the sales page of the product. So this is the sales page of the product called 24-Hour Traffic Blitz. And this is actually a description of what this product is all about. So it's a complete system that gives you everything you need to make money, tested and proven to work with many student success stories. So there is also training done for your passive profit funnels and a simple method to get unlimited traffic. And no technical skills required. And these methods, there are new methods being implemented that you've never seen before. So let me actually show you who actually created this product. So these are the 3 people actually, they have created this product. This guy is named Aidan Crockery, Fogle Downs, and Noel Cunningham. I've been buying courses from Fogle Downs and using the methods, his methods that he teaches to actually make money using free traffic, and they work. For those of you who have been watching my YouTube channel and have been following me on Facebook, you guys know that how I'm making money and how the strategies have been successful, and I've also shown you my results. And as a proof, guys, let me show you that last year in December I bought 24 hours profit from Fogle Downs. I bought all the upsells inside, including training from him, and I've also bought his second product that I know about, which was Empire, and I bought from the upgrade 2, and I've been enjoying since then. I've been consuming his methods, and I'm actually quite excited about this product because I'm really going to do a nice review for you guys so that you can actually choose if this product is for you or not. And trust me guys, this product will really be amazing. So let us see what you are actually getting inside 24-Hour Traffic Blitz. So you will be getting step-by-step video training that will actually teach you what you need to do to actually make your affiliate sales. And there will be 3 done for you passive profit funnels. So sometimes people say that they don't have time, so they've created the passive profit funnels for you. So you just need to use them to actually make your affiliate commissions. Next is a quick start of traffic guide. So what I usually suggest to my students is free traffic, and they too actually teaches free traffic, and I've been learning that from them. So it actually works. And 4 interviews of actual students that have been crushing it with their courses. So all you need to do, guys, is to just go by the step-by-step training, activate your traffic blitz, and they actually show you how you can do that and give you access to actually promote this product. And step number 3 is to actually start making money. And I want to make it clear, guys, that it does not need to be this product, because I've been using what they teach to promote other products and they've really been working. And I actually love how Fogel Downs teaches his students how you should make money. So these are the students that have been learning with him. Next are the bonuses that you're going to get when you buy the 24-hour traffic blitz. Number 1 is elite buyer traffic. So this is another course that's actually a short video that show you how you can get elite buyer traffic, that is traffic that are actually going to buy from you. This is the bonus. And ultimate bot opt-ins, FB bot traffic together with untap bot traffic, and emoji traffic together with super solo traffic. So these were the courses, these were the mini courses that they've created, and they're actually going to give you for free. So now I'm going to show you what are the upsells that come in the sales page when you're going to buy this product. So the first is the product itself. It will cost $9 as an early bird fee, and it can increase to $15. So as an early bird tomorrow, when it will be launched at 11 a.m. Eastern time, it will cost at $9, and after that it will be increased. And the one-time offer that you're going to get, so the first upsell, will be a done-for-you bundle, which will cost $37. So they will give you guaranteed approval to promote high-converting affiliate offers. They will actually teach you how you can 10x your results, and there will be done for you eye-catching vouchers, images that they have been proven to work. And there is also engaging high engagement Facebook post for each approved offer that you're going to get for promotion, and done for you ManyChat follow-up sequences to increase your conversion, done for you lead magnets, and 100% resale rights to drive new buyer leads into your business. And like I said, this costs $37. And one-time offer number 2 is buyer extractor case studies. So what you will be getting is 6 buyer extractor case studies, and these have been proven to work, and you can actually use them to actually make money. Number 3 is done for you by a bot, and this will cost $197. So what you get is 2 completely done for you bot sequences. So you don't have to go on and think about what sequence you will actually use in your bot to actually start making money. 2 completely done for you bonus review pages. You actually get the review pages, bonus review pages for you. You don't have to create that. And 100% commissions on 2 top quality digital products. And this cost $197. And the final one-time offer is one-on-one coaching. Like I've showed you guys, I've bought the all upsells from the product of Fogels, and I've been really consuming that. This is all the upsells of 24-hour profit. I've even bought the coaching, one-on-one coaching, and I really it's really amazing to actually learn from that guy. Let me actually go ahead and show you what are the downsells now. So First, if you're actually going to buy the training, it will cost around $9 to $15, and you will actually get the one-time offer. So the one-time offer will be $37, but if you choose not to buy that, there will be a downsell. It will become $27. Then it goes up to the $17, and if you choose not to buy that, it becomes $12. And the next is $197, and if you don't choose to buy that, it becomes $97, and it stops there. And it will go to the one-time offer for if you buy this one-time offer, that is $197. So if you don't choose to buy that, you won't be able to get the one-time one-on-one coaching. But if you buy this, you will be able to get the one-on-one coaching with Fergal. So let me actually go on and show you my bonuses. So this will be the bonus page, the review page that I will actually leave in the description box. And this will be my full review here that I'm doing. And I have listed the steps, what you actually need to do. And this will be the number one, the custom bonus number one, which is this whole funnel that you are seeing, which is this. So what you get together with this funnel is the opt-in, which you can actually use to for solo ads. If you choose to, you can actually modify them, and because you're going to get the white label rights for this whole funnel, so you will be able to choose whatever you like to put inside or change if you don't like it. But I've already modified it and so on, so it's up to you. So this is the opt-in page that you get. So you can actually change and put your pictures, put your picture and integrate your email service provider. So this will be the white label rights. Custom bonus number two will be access of my 3 methods of organic traffic generating strategies. I'm giving you case studies that what are the traffic methods that I use to actually make money online. So you will be getting these as my custom bonuses, and you will also be getting my free ClickFunnels course. So I've actually created, with the help of my mentors, a course that will actually help anyone get started with ClickFunnels and promoting ClickFunnels as bonus. And you can actually make use of this knowledge to promote other products also. And the other bonuses will be list building on steroids, 5,001 email swipes for any make money online niche, and 10K email manifesto. So if you take the knowledge of the list building on steroids, you will be able to know when to send these emails. So I've been facilitating your journey together with this course, so you can actually use the course 24-hour profits and make money with your email list. And if ever you are going to start an internet business, so this is the internet business startup kit, and the other bonuses such as 7 products in 7 days, niche research, and chatbot marketing mastery. And the number 12 bonuses will be getting access to my Facebook group, private Facebook group, where I go live daily, almost daily, except for Saturdays and Sundays or when I'm ill. So and I teach you guys what I've been learning, and I'm giving summaries of what I've been learning and telling you how I'm implementing stuffs, so that you too can make sure that you are up to date with what I'm doing and what's working and what's not working. And your exclusive bonuses this time will be lazy profit explosion. It's all about ads, what you need to do and how things work. So this is going to 10x your profit. these are actually courses. These exclusive bonuses will be available for a limited time, and after this time is over, these bonuses will go away. So you will only have these bonuses. And number 2 is commission blueprint and 10x commissions, launch jacking, awakening, 5 fear freedom, and the lazy method. So when you combine all these bonuses together, it has a total value of $4,346. But when the product will be launched, it will be costing only $9. So you will be getting all this for only $9. So make sure that when the product is launched at 11 a.m. EST, I hope that, yeah, at 11 a.m. EST, make sure to buy through my links. And when you actually buy through my link, you will be receiving the bonuses. You will actually receive an email that you purchased the product, and you will actually be able to access your affiliate bonuses here. So I hope this will be clear. So if you actually choose to buy the 24-hour profit blitz through my affiliate link, you will be getting these bonuses, like I mentioned, these amazing bonuses. So make sure that you check my affiliate link and get access to my Facebook group, because I give daily training. So I hope this actually made it clear if this product is for you or not. So if you got value from this video, guys, make sure you give me a thumbs up, and also do comment and tell me what you think about this review, if this product is good for you or not. And also do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, so that the next time that I do upload a video, you are among the first people to actually know and watch the video. So this will be it, guys. See you on the next video. Bye bye.